So now, I know that you already know what we're going to do, as you see it in my thumbnail. And yes, we're going to unbox a new bullet journal notebook for this year. I have been watching different bullet journals here in the internet, and maybe it's been 3 years ago since I started watching videos about bullet journaling. It really amazed me every time I watch their own version of their bullet journals. So, I've decided to make my own, not so long, just last year. It's so pretty to see how they turned out their trackers into an artistic way, also making it organized. So, after watching different bullet journals, reviews on notebooks, unlucky me, those brands I wanted is not available in Lazada. I purchased this notebook online through Lazada. So, if ever you get to like this notebook too, I put the link in the description box below so you can check it out. I have here the Moleskine brand classic hardcover in dotted layout, ivory colored. I choose the black cover as for its cover. Also, Moleskine have a flagship store in Lazada. Now, I am so excited to unbox this with you guys and share the experience of this new bullet journal notebook and start the artistic year 2020. As for this video, Moleskine have so many stock of this notebook unlike when I ordered it because they just have a few stocks of it. These have with beveled corners and an elastic closure, which is the Moleskine signature. And as I open it up to the first page, it's the place to put my name, maybe even my address in case it gets lost, along with Moleskine logo below on the left page. It is so completely smooth as you feel the paper of the notebook and flat on the middle of it. It's good for me because it is not if it is not flat, then you have to struggle with that part, making your plans, right? It is also includes an expandable pocket, interior pocket for keeping cards and loose notes. You may want to keep safe in there. It's very great. And before I forgot, this notebook have 240 dotted acid-free pages, which is enough for my whole year bullet journals, I think. And this bookmark ribbon is to keep your page noted or marked, placing it into different spots you wanted. So before we end this video, I wanted to tell you guys that I will make the paper testing in the next video. Hands up, I'm a huge otaku and cat lover. So expect to see some themes related to some anime, not all though, but overall, I'm so grateful to you guys that keep watching on this channel. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, maybe you could like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.